Okay, let's look at this question. It says, suppose the following data shows the percentage of 17 to 24-year-olds who are attending college in several metropolitan statistic areas in 4 geographic regions: Northeast, Midwest, South, and West. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to do a test to see if there's a difference between the averages, the means, and of course you can see there's more than 2, so it would be ANOVA. So the very first thing I do is I just grab the data, which I'm doing on another monitor, and I copy and I paste it in here. And you're going to see how easy this is. So, the first thing is just to state that the null would state that there's no difference in any of the means. So in other words, the mean for the Northeast equals the mean for the Midwest, equals the mean for the South, equals the mean for the West. And then the alternative would say not all the population means are equal. Okay, so hopefully by now, if you got through Stats 1, that you know how to put the data analysis tool. If you don't see it there, if not, shoot me a message. But I just click Data Analysis. This is an ANOVA. There's only one factor, okay, the proportion of students that are attending college, okay. And so I say, okay, and I click this first one to actually select my data. And then it's grouped by columns. I have labels in my very first row. I don't know why I moved down, but whatever. And I want to test this as at an alpha of 0.05. So where do I want to output this? I don't know. That looks like a good spot. And I say, okay. And this gives me everything I need to know. So ANOVA uses the F statistic. So that 3.074415, and then they say round to 2 decimals, so 3.07 would be my test statistic. And then my p-value rounded to 3 decimals would be 0.031. So as you can see, you can get your answers right away. And do you remember, if the p is low, the null must go? So if the p-value is less than my alpha, and my alpha was 0.05, I am going to reject the null, that there is sufficient evidence to conclude that the percentage of 17 to 24-year-olds who are attending college is not the same in the 4 geographic regions. And that's it.